Let's know the Sengkalan wooden grinding tool. Before the invention of modern equipment to make our kitchen life much easier, such as the use of blender and so on, do you know there was a kitchen art appliance made of wood which had the same function as the modern food processor or blender called Sengkalan. It is synonymous to the cook, which many do not know. It is a work of art which was widely used for centuries by the Malay ethnic in Malay archipelago. Let's see how it was used. The carved wood was used as base to crush and pulverize chili, black pepper, and salt. These ingredients were pulverized using coconut shell, which functions as the pestle. According to the Malay proverb, fish in the sea, pepper and salt, already in Sengkalan, which means the aim to obtain something which may not necessarily be owned. Way of life in arts. In those days, Sengkalan was given as a gift to daughter-in-laws as symbol of married life. Let's see how Sengkalan is used.